Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on differentiation. It says we should differentiate x over x plus 1 with respect to x. I hope you can remember this formula of quotient rule that says if y is equals to u over v, then the x will be the same thing as v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So that in this case, my u is the same thing as x, implying that my du dx will be the same thing as 1. I've applied this formula. If y is equals to ax raised to power n, dy dx is equals to anx raised to power n minus 1. My a here is 1, my n is 1. So my a will be 1, x becomes x raised to power 1 minus 1, which is x raised to power 0, which is something as 1. Now, same thing applies now, where v is equals to x plus 1. So that dv dx will be the same thing as 1. Now, given that my dv dx is 1, du dx is 1, obviously my dy dx will be the same thing as v. Applying this formula, v is x plus 1 into u into du dx, that's 1, minus u, that's x, into dv dx, that's 1, all over v squared, that's x plus 1, all squared. Now, so that's my dy dx will be the same thing as x plus 1 minus x all over x plus 1 all squared. X minus x, that's 0. So that dy dx will be the same thing as 1 over x plus 1 all squared. You can decide to expand this, so that will become 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1. With this, I hope you understand how I went about using quotient rule to differentiate this expression. I'll be glad you share your comment and your question with us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.